Okay, you've got a great product idea, you're selling on Amazon, maybe you did a Kickstarter campaign, but for whatever reason, things are not really going exactly right for you. You want to sell more products. Keep watching this video. I think I have some answers for you. All right, you'd be surprised at how many people reach out to Andrew and myself once they start and have started selling a product that they brought to market themselves. Maybe they did a Kickstarter campaign, they raised some money, or maybe they're on Amazon, or maybe they even have it in a few retail stores. But they've realized, finally, I don't want to do this. I want to license my product to a company that's got great distribution, has relationships with companies, to take it off my hands. All right, you're actually in a great spot because you have probably product, maybe you have a patent, maybe you've sold some product. That type of information is really going to be important to that licensee. In fact, you've done a lot of the work already, right? And you just want to leverage their distribution, their relationships with companies now, and you're ready to get out and have them do it for you. We see this all the time. People are making a change. They've tried it. They think they're going to make more money, but at the end of the day, they just want out. So now they want to license their product idea to a company to have them take it over. All right. You would be surprised at how many people, once they start to go down that road, they don't realize how much time, how much effort, how much money it really takes, and they're ready to license their product idea now. Okay, you should reach out to those companies that are in the same category. Wonderful. You should show them, you probably have a website, even better. You have product, that's even fantastic. They could do a test, a focus group if they want to. They could test it themselves. You have all the tools for these guys that want to license products, that you've taken away all the risk, you've done all the work. Now, you have to be careful a little bit the way you pitch your idea, because they're going to ask you about your sales record. And if you're watching this video and you want to make a change, I'm sure your sales are not going to be perfect. That's okay, because you can tell them maybe you didn't have the time, or maybe the money, or maybe you didn't understand how hard it was to create demand for people to find your product to purchase it. They will get that. So those companies, I think, will give you a very good chance, right, to take their product from you and license it. Okay, now there's a lot of people out there I know that you're a little beat up at this time. You've spent too much money, you're probably ready to give up, you're ready to hand it off. And if that's the situation, and if you want the pros, I'm going to call this the pros because we've been doing it forever and a day. If you want someone to take it over to find that licensee, reach out to us. We have a new program. It's called Gateway, in which we've taken all the work we've done over the years. We've built all these relationships with companies, and we can get those companies to look at your product idea that you're selling, and we can do it very, very quickly because we have the relationships already in place, and we can do the work for you. So if you're in that position where you're ready to kind of move on, and you want to license now your product idea to a company that's got great distribution, that's got the relationships with all the retailers, and you're ready to hand it off to someone to handle it for you, please reach out to us. It's a new program called Gateway, and we're going to leverage all the relationships that we've built over 25 years and do all the work for you. All right, this is Stephen Key. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you next time.